Interesting piece over in the Times over the weekend, actually it was the Journal over the weekend, about sort of a split picture in restaurants as the big chains add employees, open stores, revamp their drive-throughs, and independents just don't see the recovery that the larger players are getting. Is that the story of Q4? Is it the story of 2021?
Well, it's shaping up to be that way. We probably have seen already a closure rate of the high single digits in the industry. That is overweight the full service area and independents, as you said. So far, if you look at just the chain same-store sales numbers out there, fast food is already positive, up maybe about 4%. That's McDonald's and Wendy's of the world are actually doing even more than that, closer to 10% in recent weeks. Full service, if you look at just the chains, those casual dining chains, they're down only 15%, which is amazing given the fact that dining rooms, mid-teens or so of the restaurants out there are closed, and the ones that are open, as you would imagine, are only something like 50% capacity. So the chains are really gaining a lot of share, and they're going to survive. But you got to worry about this winter. A lot of those independents are going to be facing a tough winter ahead.
And given as temperatures drop around the country, David, I wonder, is the battle between quick service and casual, is that a no-brainer at this point? I mean, is it all going to be about quick service, at least for the names that trade publicly?
There are some managements already thinking that will be a benefit. You know, the vast majority, 80% of restaurants occasions are quick service occasions. So there's not a lot of share to be gained from full service, but those outdoor dining occasions, particularly in the northern areas, are going to be shutting down, and that's going to put pressure on those full service restaurants that don't have off-premise businesses. You know, you see some, like, for instance, Brinker's Chili's, that are doing tremendous business off-premise, and that plus their balance sheets of some of these players, their cost savings, that's going to help them survive. Whereas a lot of the full-service independents are not, or weaker chains. And then after this is over, obviously the market share gains, plus the pent-up demand of older people, of higher income people, is going to really help those survivors in the casual dining space thrive after this is hopefully over within a year or so.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.